Are you okay, sir?
Yep.
That's a good intro.
Guys, it's Gus. Today we're going to be unboxing the Vatos Spirit. See here, we got full ball bearings. We got a brushless motor. It comes with steel drive shafts right away. 35 amp brushless speed controller. 1.8 kilogram high torque servo. And a 1000 milliamp LiPo battery. It is 16 scale and 14 plus. Alright, Joshy, go ahead and get her opened up.
Yeah.
That looks pretty nice. It's got a kind of a clear smoke body in the front. Looks pretty nice. Got a wheelie bar. And here we got a charger and some spare body clips. And a wheel nut wrench. Pretty decent looking remote. Got steering, dual rate, steering trim, high and low speed, and reversing, and a nice power button. It's a decent, actually feels pretty decent. It's actually got a foam wheel on it. And this one oddly takes 3 batteries. Really nice looking shocks. They're not oil filled shocks though. A real nice looking brushless motor in there. It does have headlights. They're actually in these little buckets here. And it is a speed control ESC combo. And it's got an actual servo with a servo saver. And a LiPo battery, not a lithium ion, which is really good. Plastic's got some nice flex to it, which is great, because then these things can really take some abuse. Even the chassis, you can feel, it's got some good flex to it. So yeah, we're going to go slap the battery in the charger, and then we're going to take her out for a rip. But normally I don't do speed tests on these little guys, but this one claims 52 kilometers an hour, which I'm guessing is about 36, 35, somewhere around in there. And we just want to see what it'll do. So we're going to first test that out and see what it does. We got some guy flying a plane here. It's making it kind of hard to hear what's going on, but he's literally flying like a couple 100 feet off the ground. Pretty speedy. Brakes are good.
Yeah.
This is our first run with this. And is it accurate? 21. Nice long run there to see what we get out of it this time. 21 again.
Are you okay, sir?
Yep.